Gayatri. In this video, we are going to see an ETAP tooltip on how to use a remote connector. Remote connector is a connection tool that allows you to electrically connect two buses or nodes without drawing any long cable or transmission line across your single line diagram. I have a large single line diagram here where I have to connect two nodes at different part of the SLD. To connect the nodes or the points, first choose the connector and connect the points to the connector. And another point to another connector, rotate, and I'm connecting it to the other point. Now ETAP treats as if the 2 points are electrically connected directly, and these remote connectors do not have any impedances or resistance or losses by itself. Hope you found this content useful. See you in another tooltip video. Thanks for watching the video.